Good morning class, I am Lakshman Singh here with our new topic tangent properties of circles. Let us start. So let us start tangent properties of circle. So we can see here the circle we have drawn here. One line this is drawn in such a way which touches the circle at one point here like this. This line is called tangent. If we draw a line which joins the point where this line touches the circle, and this line is drawn from center of the circle, then this radius will be perpendicular to the tangent. So the first thing is radius is perpendicular to the tangent. If we draw a radius where tangent touches the line, tangent touches the circle, that will be perpendicular to the tangent. Second thing, here we have drawn two tangents from a given external point. This is external point here given. From here we have drawn two tangents. You can see 1 and 2 tangents we have drawn. In this case again we have joined here this center to the touch point like this. So this will be perpendicular here. Then we come to know that both tangents will be equal. Both tangents will be equal. If two tangents are drawn from an external point to the circle, then tangents are equal. So both the tangents will be equal. This tangent is equal to this tangent. Then second thing is both tangents are equally inclined to the line joining the center of the circle and the point from where tangents are drawn. So here this center and the point, this point you will see, and this is the center. From here this line is joined. Then they are equally inclined. This angle is equal to this angle. Both angles will be equal. And another thing, tangents subtend equal angles at the center. This angle, you can see once more, this much angle and this angle, both angles will be equal. These angles are angles subtended by these two tangents. So tangents subtend equal angles at the center. Let us start exercise 19a. Find, first question, find the length of the tangent drawn to a circle of radius 8 cm from a point which is at a distance of 10 cm from the center. So here we have drawn this circle. This is the tangent drawn, that is PT, and this OP is the distance from the point to the center of the circle, that is given 10 cm. Radius of the circle, this is given 8 cm. We have to find length of this tangent. So we can see that this is 90-degree angle. You can see this angle is given 90 degree. If this angle is 90 degree, this will be hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square, that is OP square, equal to perpendicular square, OT square, and then plus base square, that is PT square. So PT square equal to OP square minus OT square. Here we are applying Pythagoras theorem. So OP square, that is 10 square minus 8 square. So PT square equal to 100 minus 64, that is 36. So PT equal to 6 centimeter. So we get here the length of the tangent is 6 centimeter. Let us take question number 4. A and B are the centers of the circle of radius radii 9 centimeter and 2 centimeter, such that AB equal to 17 centimeter and C is the center of the circle of radius r centimeter, which touches the above circles externally. If angle ACB equal to 90 degree, write an equation in R and solve it. So you see here these two circles are given with center A and B. Radius of this circle is 9 centimeter and radius of this circle is 2 centimeter. This circle with center C touches both the circles externally. So we had here this radius 9 centimeter, this is r centimeter. So this total AC will be 9 plus r. Similarly, this radius 2 centimeter, this is r, then BC will be r plus 2 and AC is given, AB is given 17 centimeter. So here angle ACB given 90 degree. So now we will apply here Pythagoras theorem and then see. So here we apply Pythagoras theorem. So we can see that AB is hypotenuse. AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. AB, that is 17 square. AC, we can see that AC equal to 9 plus R. So 9 plus R square plus 2 plus R square. So we have to solve it. 17 square, that is 289. Then 81 plus R square plus 18R. Then 4 plus R square plus 4R. So we solve it. So we get 2R square plus 22R plus 85. So we are getting equation 2R square plus 22R plus 85 minus 289. So we get 2R square 22R minus 204. It is divisible by 2. Whole equation divided by 2. R square plus 11R minus 102. We do its factorization by splitting the middle term. So we get the factors r plus 17, r minus 6 equal to 0. R plus 17 equal to 0, r equal to minus 17. This is impossible. Radius cannot be negative. So we take r minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore r equal to 6 centimeter. Let us take next question. Prove that the tangents drawn to the two circles from any point on the common tangent are equal in length. Two circles which are touching internally, we can see that. So here this is common tangent, PT is common tangent, and two tangents are drawn like this. One is this drawn, another one is this drawn. So we know that tangents drawn from external point are equal. So in the smaller circle we can see PT will be equal to PA. Tangents from external point are equal. Similarly, PT will be equal to PB. So PT equal to PA and PT equal to PB. PT is equal to both PA and PB. It means PA equal to PB. So we can say that the tangents are equal. Let us take question number 9. Two circles of radii 8 cm and 3 cm have a direct common tangent of length 10 cm. Find the distance between their centers up to 2 decimal places. So we can see here the figure. Two circles are drawn. Its radius is 8 cm. This is 3 cm. So we can see this is common tangent, that is AB. AB is common tangent. This is the line joining of the center. Then we draw this line BC parallel to OO dash. Drawing BC parallel to OO dash. So here we know that this angle is 90 degree. So this BC will become hypotenuse of this triangle ACB. Then AB will work as base and AC as perpendicular. So in this we will apply Pythagoras theorem, BC square equal to AC square plus AB square. So we get BC square 5 square plus AB square, that is 10 square, that means 25 plus 100. 25 plus 100. So BC square equal to 125. So BC equal to under root 125. We will find out square root of 125 by division method, long division method. So we will get it 11.180. We are asked to find up to 2 decimal place. We will find out up to 3 decimal place and then eliminate third place. So BC equal to 11.18 centimeter. So OO dash will be also equal to BC. So OO dash is equal to 11.18 centimeter.